guys, welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we are going to be making a big fluffy pom-pom. Pretty sure you know what it is. It's made out of string and yarn or whatever you want. You can use it as a stuffy, a little pillow, or just use it for whatever. Okay, so we're going to start off with a piece of cardboard that has two rings that has a 5 centimeter radius for the big circle and a 1.5 centimeter radius for the small circle. Once you have two of these drawn out, then you're going to cut on both the lines just like this. Boom! Okay, here we go. We got our donuts kind of cardboard discs. Now we're going to take a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife and cut right along here. There, okay, we got this. Looks good. Match it up like this and do the exact same for the other disc. There. Okay, we got two of these discs. Let's put them together. Then onto the next step. Woo, here we go. Okay, step number 3. Again, take our two discs, put them together. We got all of this yarn or string. Put it right on the end here. We'll secure it in place. Wrap it all the way around. You can even overlap it. Go all the way to the end. Whew, this is going to take a really long time. Let's get started. Here we go. I just did a nice little assortment of colors. This took a long time. We wrapped it all up. It's pretty thick. Again, thicker the better, because it'll be more fluffier as the pom-pom. So next step, hopefully we'll be able to cut around here, then put this string in between, and we will hopefully have a pom-pom. Again, sharper the scissors, the better. So let's squeeze it in. Let's cut all the way around this big donut. Okay, here we go. I cut it all the way. You also have to make sure that all the pieces don't come out. I'm gonna put this in the middle. Whew, tie a knot and see if we get a pom-pom. Here we go. I got it through, just tying a knot. Let's put it down the hole to give it quite a nice tug. Tie a couple more knots. There we go. Now let's just trim that. And of course, my favorite part, let's try to take this out of the cardboard. Here we go, guys. This actually turned out very good, and this is my first try on this video. Oh my god, look at that. Wow, the colors really turned out nicely. And I'm glad I did some extra knots in there so it all stays together. That is so cool. Anyway, here we go. This is how you make a pom-pom. It turned out very well. I love the colors. It's just like a little fireball. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.